Tin Song informed that the Cabinet approved the amending on mineral concession rules wherein extraction of minor mineral will be allowed as per rules.
Meghalaya Minor Mineral Concession Rules 2016. Few amendment was made from Forest Department, and the amendment is inclusion of two more items. One is extraction of minor minerals from agricultural field for betterment of the agricultural land, okay? Because in that area it was excluded, and now it is allowed that any extraction of minor minerals, be it boulder, be it sand, be it earth, it is allowed, but it should be as per the prescribed norms or the process of getting a mining lease or a quarry permit has to be done by the concerned stakeholders. So we have included that. And then number two is extraction of minor minerals which is incidental in nature. Means again, be it a boulder or be it any items. Sometimes, you know, when I construct a house, suppose now I construct a house. So while taking up the land development, so I found out maybe a big boulders, big stones were there. So ultimately we have to break that stone, that rock, and then it becomes a boulder, and that boulder is considered to be incidental where it is allowed for transportation or for selling of that item. So these are the two items which ultimately the government has approved the proposal.